Every good trade starts before the chart even moves. It starts on a Sunday with a process, and by the time the market opens on Monday, I already know what I'm looking for, which pairs I'm watching, and which sessions I expect the move to happen in. Welcome back, guys. Today is about preparation. The weekly process that sits underneath every CRT trade I take. This is the part most beginners skip because it's not exciting. There's no entry, there's no exit, there's no P&L, but it's the reason the trades make sense when they come. I'm going to walk you through the full Sunday routine, show you how sessions fit into the week, and then share my screen and show you what it actually looks like on the charts. Now, before I open a single chart, I open the economic calendar on PU Prime and mark every high impact event for the week. NFP, CPI, central bank decisions. I want to know what's scheduled, which pairs it touches, and roughly when in the week it lands. That shapes everything else. If trading feels confusing or inconsistent, it might not be your efforts. It might just be a lack of clear direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without all the unnecessary noise. With the Signaler, you get carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, and straight to the point market insights that actually make sense. Every signal is built around discipline and proper risk control. There's no exaggeration and no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on real analysis. And if you want to see the quality for yourself, they offer a 7-day free trial, so you can test the signals before making any commitment. Stay focused, follow structure, trade with a plan. Try the Signaler.com today. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, the charts. For each pair I'm watching, I go to the 4-hour and ask one question. Where is price in the IRL to ERL flow right now? Is it sitting at an IRL, ready to push towards the ERL, or has it just swept the ERL and likely to come back? That single read gives me the directional bias for the week. I'm not guessing intraday. I know where price is trying to go. So once I've got the narrative, I think about when the move is most likely to happen. And this is where sessions come in. The London Open, roughly 8 AM UK time. This is the first major window. That's when European volume hit and a lot of CRT setups trigger. The New York Open, around 1 PM UK time, is the second window and often the more aggressive one, especially on USD pairs. The Asian session overnight is where liquidity gets built. Swing highs and lows get set up that London and New York then come to sweep. Understanding that cycle is what takes CRT from a pattern you spot to a process you can actually plan around. So you can see from a couple of examples on the 4-hour, this is a sweep of ERL and price created a fair value gap where it tapped in here and continued lower. That is a prime example of your directional bias for the day. Price pushes up, we again take the ERL, price then comes down and we create a fair value gap from that sweep. And while it took some time to come in, we eventually do come in and we continue lower all the way to the lows here. Price then sweeps that. We create a fair value gap, another fair value gap, another fair value gap. You can see that price just continued further up. Then coming into today, what happened was we created another fair value gap and we have a CRT pattern playing out now. So my expectation is that we are going to continue lower now. So if I was to put a trade on the 4-hour, my stop loss would be here, my take profit here. But because of the flow of the market, my true take profit would be here. So that is my directional bias. So going into tomorrow, I would expect to be taking sells to that ERL low. That is my bias. That's how I go into the next day. So all of what I just walked through, the calendar, the market context, the charts, all of it is inside PU Prime. And that genuinely matters for how smooth this prep session runs. The economic calendar on PU Prime is built directly into the platform. I don't need a separate tab, a separate website or a paid tool. I open PU Prime on a Sunday, check the calendar, and layer the event straight onto the pairs I'm already looking at on the charts. The market insight section adds context on top of that. What moved last week, what the expectation was versus the actual release, how different sessions responded. That's a macro layer that sits above the CRT framework and makes the narrative reads more confident. For anyone who's newer to all of this, the Trading Academy is right there on the platform too. The foundations are covered, so you're not going into your first prep session blind. So it's one platform, everything in one place. That's what makes a Sunday routine actually work. Preparation is the edge most retail traders skip. The narrative, the calendar, the session windows. That's the work that makes a trade obvious when it comes. Next video, I want to go deep on copy trading, not a quick mention, a proper beginner's guide to the whole feature, how to find the right provider, what the stats actually mean, and how to set it up correctly. And the PU Prime link is in the description below. I will see you on the next one.